So hi everyone. So in this video, this is a very amazing program where you will learn something little bit logical thinking and the real world problem. This program is very short, but you will learn a lot of things. Okay, this is the program to write a program to finding the stationary distribution of the Markov chains. So let me just explain what is this Markov chain. Okay, Markov chain. Come for this. See here. Think in a situation you have state A and state B. Okay, you have state A and state B, and you also have a state C. Okay, so think as it is. You can think of a state as an city or something. Okay, from state A to state B, your probability to go for state A to state B, it is 20%. Okay, from B to C, the probability is for the 30%, and for C to A, it is the probability of going 30%, and A can itself come for itself, it has some probability of 20%. So for the A, we have total probability as we can say this itself it's go right 20 plus, and you can see from C to A it will come 30, so total 50% of probability is there to come for the state A. So this concept is like this. It is like we are coming from one state to another state, and to another state, how much the possibility, how what are the possibility to stay in a particular state. So in state A we have a lot of possibility of the 50%. In state B, we have 20% of possibility. In the state C, we have possibility of 30. So this is the situation. So this actually it will work in a real life where think in an example like yeah, see that just take example of Sunny, state A. State A is an you want to find sun, uh, sunny, and state B think that is an rainy. Okay, rain. Okay, actually, by using these models, means what I'm just explaining this program, it is actually used in data science, where the scientist will read the weather. See, when it is sunny, there will be no rain. When there is rainy, it is called as rainy. Think an example. Uh, think in a situation you are in home, but you have a restriction. You cannot go out of home, but you can see the world by only from window in your home. So when you see from home, when you see for your home the window, you can only see the people using the umbrella. So by using the situation, the people are using umbrella. Oh, very bad image of umbrella. Let me try to draw. Yeah, this umbrella is something. Okay, something else. Okay, it is umbrella. Okay, yeah. So people are handing the umbrella. So by using seeing those people, how many people are taking the umbrella and the possibility of the weather, we want to predict, is it sunny or it is raining, because the umbrella also hand the people take when it is very much sunny for to protect from the sun, and some of the people also use many people use in the rainy time they will use the umbrella. So this is some model where we predict the particular thing. So I hope you got some idea. I'm not going very deeper. I just explain the upper part. Okay. Now I will just explain four in very beautiful example. We have a library called as Markov chain. You just import it and just install it. When you install the installation, something it will come. I will just put a video. Just see that one. Okay. In the transition matrix, we have passed a matrix. We have zero point 0.8, zero point 0.2, and zero point 0.4, zero point 0.6. 0.8 means 8%, means 80%. 0.0 means 20%, 0.4 means 40%, 0.6 means 60%. We have some table, we have state A and we have state B. So in the Markov chain, we have created another function by using new Markov chain. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So state is equal to state. In state, we are passing this. In the transition matrix, we are passing this matrix. So this is the actual parameter we want to pass. And in a stationary distribution, we want to just stationary states. I want to check out which the state is that. So in this, I will just store that value here, and that value will be displayed here. So let me run this. Now, when I run this program, we will get what is the possibility to stay in state A and state B. I told you guys um, what is the possibility of rainy and what is the possibility of sunny. So in algorithms, when I explain this program, means this thing, in this you can think it is an A is an home, A is a city, B is a city, and C is a city. How many possibility you can stay in which city for more time? So that's this actually concept is like that. So I will run this program, and you can see the output. We have the possibility of in a state where we can be possible of 67%. The in state B we have 33% of possibility to stay there. But now let me change this full concept in another way. So I always talking about something city or something umbrella, but now according to a program, write a program for finding a stationary. It is a stationary, okay? Stationary distribution of a Markov chain. So think, stationary means simple. In stationary, what we have? In stationary, we have books, pens, etc. Right? So we want to change the particular rack from this books to this books. So that is the possibility we want to find. So in the stationary distribution, we will find according to this book will be changed to this particular place, and this called as something like this, where we change the particular position of this. So it is also known as means stationary distribution, where we just relate that. Okay, yeah. According to my information, what I have collected, I'm just saying, but what I have explained, everything is nice, everything is actually correct, but the stationary distribution I am telling with an little bit doubt, but it is actually this is answer. But for understanding, it is right. Means what I have explained, that is nice. So okay, in this video, this much only, and keep learning and keep motivating. Because if I say keep exploring, it will become someone copy. Yeah, copy. Everybody know that. Okay, yeah, done. Bye bye.